workshop is a you have a wide variety of what constitutes a workshop. So there are, let's say, the hands-on workshops like Daryl's Primal Play, which is, I think, which is a gem
Yes.
to have him here. So I think almost everyone went to at least one of his workshops.
Yes.
And then you have the workshops with short presentations, or and then Q&A or Q&A. So
Yeah.
that's a format to be continued. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I've been to quite a lot of them, and it's good with informal ways of talking to each other, because often in big groups you don't want to raise your hand and ask things, and then it's more, you feel more comfortable to talk in that way when you're sitting in the couch or in the lounge with not so many people. I'm usually quite lazy, but and I felt a bit awkward with the moves, but eventually it got better. Yes, and I think my goal is to do more exercise. So yes, I take my chances when there is.
I've been to every workshop.
Yeah.
So between the seminars and the workshops, it's been really incredible.
Yeah.
Group format has been so nice
Yeah.
that you can really interact with all the speakers directly and ask them questions and have, build relationships.
Yeah.
The workshops have been very useful because they've been slightly more personal than the formal talks that we've had. And that's been the opportunity really to connect with the speakers and ask those, direct questions that affect a person, themselves.
Yes.
So that's been really great. That's been really good to have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I've been participating, I think, in most of them and listened to all the speakers so far, and it's a really good diversity with the speaks. Everything from people talking about proteins and training and to more technical things and cancer and things. So it's a really good diverse spread of speakers, I think. Yeah.
The workshops, and that's another place where it's so nice to have variety.
Yeah.
Like did the dancing on the beach, that was
Yeah.
so much fun.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it. I'm not particularly coordinated and everything, but it was just fun. Really liked it. And I actually did one with Ann Childers, and it was also not directly related to low carb, but really fascinating. I really enjoyed that.
Yes.
Yeah.
The concept I like, because in the mornings we have had these sessions where you start thinking, you get questions in your head, so in the afternoon you get the opportunity to ask more, but also a mix of workshops where you can actually do some workouts, being outdoors, and get more interactive with the people. That's very nice.
Yeah, part of them, not only with Daryl, but I like his way of movements, but also I took part in the discussions as far as I'm able to do with my lack of science background.
Yes.
Sometimes it went over my head, to be honest, but I didn't care. It was interesting. And what I liked even more is to meet so many different people that are involved in it personally, because they have some diseases that they try to improve with the help of the diet, or business-like because they want to start a platform or they want to promote their business with selling this or that products. And all of them were interesting people to listen to and to talk to.
Yes.
And I could learn from them how they manage this or that thing.
Definitely yes. Oh, I would like to say something critic, but no, the workshop, it's a really great idea because you can talk with the presenters directly. I mean, there's also outside of the lectures enough time to talk to them, but during the workshops you can really in a group ask questions and discuss, and you also profit from the answers of other participants. So I think it's a great format, and if I could suggest something, I would really suggest that they keep it that way with the workshops.
Yes.
It definitely adds to the experience, and it's something that other conferences don't have.
Yeah.
So it's something special and unique that sets them also apart from other conferences. So
Yeah.
it's a good point.
Yeah.